Hello.
Hey guys, so today we were at the dog park with her dog.
That way, because like we're gonna run into a tree.
And so the wind is perfect. We're doing a YouTube video.
Hi, Mom.
So her mom.
Welcome to the world.
And there's such a pretty sunset behind us. Like
We needed to vlog it.
we took so many pictures.
We took 20 of them.
They'll all be on my Instagram at Sassy Bardet. Plug. Sorry, I just like slapped her in the face. Why are we walking back?
Now we're gonna run into the fence. What are we doing anymore?
I don't even know. I think we're just walking around randomly now.
Hey, do you want to watch me crawl through that? No chance that's gonna happen. It's full of dog urine.
Here. What? Guys, we took a picture like this. Hold on. Like, I'm gonna have her stand over here, just like, get up there. Get up there. And do the pose we did.
What was it? I forgot. Oh.
We were doing that,
Yeah.
but we were like farther back there.
Yeah.
But we were on this one.
That one.
We were on this one right here. Like, right here. Shoot, I almost just like fell off.
That would be a perfect picture. Like our heads together.
Yeah, that would be really cute. This will also be on my Instagram, guys. So go check all of these pictures out. I promise you, it'll be worth it. I promise you, you're gonna. I promise you, you're gonna love it. Please go love me and her. She's gonna. We're gonna be models. Okay.
Hold up. I already am.
We went shopping
Seriously.
today. I got her this outfit. Yep. I got her that outfit. She got me this shirt, but I changed my bottoms into some comfy ones.
It was like
They were high-waisted jeans, and they were, I mean,
no, not jeans.
jeans like shorts, but jean shorts, and
Denim
they're
shorts.
so cute. I will definitely try to post some pictures about that. I will try to keep you guys updated on my Instagram with all these different pictures of us. From we might be going to like a pool later tomorrow, so.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna be taking pictures there.
Oh, there's these dogs trying to hug me.
Avi,
It's so funny.
where?
Where did they go? Oh,
No, they're all back there.
I think it's just ugly. No, you do not want to see it. But they were seriously. It was so ugly. I was
I don't even know where everybody went. There's a bunch of like little dogs over there.
Mhm.
But here's her dog. If you guys want to see her dog.
You'll love him. Except with the
What is happening?
He's so nice. He has not bitten anybody once.
It's like zooming in. I don't want it to. Oh, okay. There we go. It's Riley, baby.
Wait, let him see it. He's so no.
Riley.
But he acts like the newest thing.
Riley. Oh, there's a big doggy. Oh, there's Riley. Trying to
Why
lick
do
his
they
butt. Okay.
They just smell each other's breath.
I know, it's just really weird. So she got me this super cute shirt. I was really skeptical.
Super soft.
Like,
And then
it
she
is
tried
like
it on
a
and she was
blanket.
like,
And I was
"Mine."
like really skeptical about it, but
And then
oh
she
my
tried
god,
it on,
guys.
and then she was like, "Oh my god, I'm gonna live in this shirt now."
Oh, I hate my phone. It flipping just keeps zooming in. I hate This is so close to her face. The second okay. We're good.
You want to get to the romantic screen?
I'm skipping. This is gonna be
I'm
really hectic. She's running and flossing at the same time. Right, again, first one back to Riley wins.
Kilometers away.
Okay, to that thingy. Oh, she's catching up! Here.
Around the same time.
She was like there 5 seconds after.
Well, I was like 12 kilometers away. Well, I know that's impossible. That'd be like 12 miles.
This dog park is flipping huge. God.
Okay, let's take a picture.
Okay, so we're gonna end this real quick and take more pictures. Reagan, you have to come back here. I have to do our
Can't
thing.
you see my ponytail?
Bye.
Well, that's it.
Bye.
Bye.